I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you learn Python in just 10 days. We'll start by getting your development environment ready, including installing Python and choosing an integrated development environment. Then, you'll dive into the absolute basics, understanding Python's syntax, how to use variables and the different data types. We'll immediately put this into practice by writing your very first programs, like the classic Hello World, to build confidence quickly. Next, we'll build on your foundation by exploring core programming concepts. You'll master control flow, learning how to make your programs make decisions using if/else statements and how to repeat actions with different types of loops. We'll then move into functions, which are crucial for writing clean, reusable code. Finally, you'll get comfortable with Python's powerful built-in data structures, including lists, tuples, and dictionaries, which are vital for organizing information. As you progress, we'll tackle more advanced topics, starting with object-oriented programming. You'll learn about classes and objects, which are fundamental for structuring larger applications. We'll also cover how to interact with files, performing input and output operations to read from and write to documents. The best way to solidify your learning is through practice, so we'll focus on building several small, practical projects to apply everything you've learned and see Python in action. To continue your Python journey, explore specialized libraries such as NumPy and Pandas, which are essential for data analysis and scientific computing. Engaging with online communities and forums is also incredibly valuable for support and collaborative learning. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastery. Also, for those looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other fantastic offers. Keep coding, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.